So mostly I recommend to client check out Notion or check out other tools in that vein. What is the difference between synthesis and Notion? So in your case, it's an AEC specific tool.
Sure. I mean, it's interesting that you brought up Notion because we kind of compete. Most of our firms are 25 people or higher. Many
Hmm.
of them are larger than that. And so on the smaller end of the scale, we compete with Notion. You get much further north of 25 people, we compete with SharePoint. So it's the kind of same
Mm,
idea. Like you've
yeah.
got this non-industry specific platform that a lot of people use. And so there's a variety of ways to answer your question. I'll just try and do it at a high level. So we're an intranet.
Hmm.
We have an AI search component built in. We are building a learning management system into the platform. So it's kind of knowledge and learning in one place. But we have deep integrations into systems like Deltek and Unanet and OpenAsset and Nuforma and other kind of common technologies that allow us to understand that you have employees, you have projects, you have data about them. We understand what the language of these firms is. And so, even as we're building our learning management system, we're handling continuing education credits. So we take a few different pieces of software, which are usually separate. We integrate them into one system, and then we've made it AEC specific through kind of functionality, but then also through integrations. And then we provide a community that you're part of as if you join. So you get with other AEC firms to learn about doing knowledge sharing. We have a conference. We have an online community where people can ask questions. So it's like it's not just the product, it's also the community and the best practices and all that stuff too. So that's my short answer. I think it was short.